Want to turn any photo into anime art? Here is how to do it in Adobe Firefly. Start by opening firefly.adobe.com. Go to the Discover section. Open the Image category. Scroll down and select AI Anime Art Generator. First, choose the AI model you'd like to use. Different models can produce slightly different results, so feel free to experiment and see which one works best for your project. Next, select your preferred aspect ratio. Then adjust the quality settings if needed. Now upload your reference image you want to transform into anime artwork. Once your image is uploaded, write your prompt. Make sure to specify that you want the image generated in an anime style. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Firefly will process your image and create an anime-inspired version based on your prompt and reference image. If you want different results, try changing the prompt or using another reference image. You can create a warm countryside summer scene, a fantasy anime landscape, or even a detailed anime portrait. Small changes can completely transform the final artwork. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can turn almost any photo into anime-style artwork using Adobe Firefly.